Hey guys, how's it going? How to check Twitter ID. So first of all, you can use your Twitter profile by going to your Twitter profile, right? Just go ahead right here, Twitter, and just type twitter.com, right? Slash your username, and then you're gonna find the the ID, right? You could use a third-party tool or your own script to check your or theirs their user ID. So let's me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.